Very good morning to all of you. This is a bright morning at Messe Stuttgart in Germany, where Grinding Hub is on its day 2. I am having with me Santosh Plakkat, who is the product manager with ANCA CNC Machines, one of the leading machine manufacturers, and they send everything where a cutting tool manufacturer can get. So they have the complete ecosystem. And today we are going to listen from him about the tool intelligence.
That's right.
The digital manufacturing solutions, what ANCA is bringing. And one more thing is, ANCA is celebrating its 50 years of innovations.
I'm very happy to be at this proud movement as the company celebrates. As you can see the banners in the back which has a 50-year celebration. It's about celebration with the company and the customers and partners everywhere globally. That's what the celebration is all about.
When we talk about cutting tool manufacturing, or when we talk about the traditional manufacturing, what we first think about is taking a solid carbide, getting into the machine and get it grinded.
Yes.
But I think there is a lot more
Yes.
than just grinding it in the machine, right?
Correct.
So
I remember working on machines which are manual machines, where every single parameter of the tool has been manually controlled by me. But now we are living in a generation of CNC machines, where the parameters are digital. So as you can see behind me is the ANCA's most flexible software, which we are releasing the next version of it, which is called as the RN35. So with the RN34, as we discuss here, Harry, we always talk about more and more new tool types. That's what RN34 was, which was released 2 years ago. But today what we are doing is, with the RN35, we have taken that exact same software with those tool types, and now we have increased the performance of the tool designing process. But also on the machine, you are able to get more tools per given time. So if you're manufacturing 6 tools in an hour, you might get, say, 8 tools per hour just by having the RN35 upgrade. So the RN35, I want to emphasize on 2 key words here: performance and productivity.
see, just to understand about the benefit what RN35 brings to the table, if this software was not there, if this tool intelligence was not there with a cutting tool manufacturer, what were the challenges you will be facing?
Few key things. So in our current in the RN34 software, our users and operators, they know very well how to optimize the cycle time. Now this varies depending on the user. Maybe a semi-skilled or a highly skilled, it varies depending on the user. But with RN35, we have taken away that variability by introducing what is called as the feed rate optimization. In simple word, it is optimizing the cycle time. So by a click of a button, the software calculates how to optimize cycle time by decreasing the gap, by increasing the feed rate, some places decreasing the feed rate, but basically optimizing the software and giving you a result. And the operator has to just say okay, because there is a 2-minute cycle time saving straight away by that one single workflow.
Now there may be machines which was purchased before a year or
Yes.
much before that, so they have RN34, maybe the version before that, so they get this upgrade free of cost, or how they need to pay for it?
So as long as the machine is within the warranty period, it's a free upgrade. But apart from that, it'll be a small fee to be paid. But I would like to emphasize, Harry, on the value for the customer. So the investment on the RN35 software, it could be returned within, say, a 3-month period or a 4-month period. The ROI is very, very short in this case, because we have calculated some of the cycle time savings And one of the example what I had was a standard 12 mil ball nose tool, making extra $600 to $900 extra per month. So you have already paid 1/3 of your purchase price. So I think it's a small fee for a huge value what you're investing in.
One thing what I have seen is that many people really don't know the kind of benefit what a product comes in with, and we are not able to use the capex in the fully.
Sometimes, yeah.
So do you think that the kind of benefits what you bring through this tool intelligence softwares are able to be taken by all ANCA customers? Are you taking any measures to tell them start using RN35?
Yeah, so we have the tool design software, which is the iGrind, and we have the tool verification software, which is the Simulator 3D. We are going one step further because many of our valued customers, they are very good tool designers. They are the authorized tool designers for many large industries like the aerospace and automobile. So when there's a new application or a new machining process, our customers are relying on tools such as their own knowledge. Sometimes they have to manufacture tools and do machining tests, and the development time is quite large in those times, and it's a cost of material, the time taken, the knowledge base. There are so many challenges. So we have partnered with a company called as Tetralytics. They have a software called as talizer, and the talizer is basically a cutting tool machining simulation. So in a real world, how you will machine and collect the parameters, many of those parameters can be given through the mathematical model. So it's a workflow. You design a tool, you simulate a tool straight into the talizer tool intelligence. It will give you the forces on the cutting edges. It will give you is the tool causing vibration on your part. All those data is given in a mathematical sense. I don't mean to say you don't need some machining test, but instead of having 10 or 15 different geometries, now you have only maybe 2. You're completely or significantly reducing the development process. ANCA wants to be the one-stop shop. If you think about a cutting tool, to manufacture it and until the end use a turnkey solution, we would like to be part of it. I hope I've answered your question.
Somewhere I find the passion.
Yeah.
What the entire team at ANCA is coming out to support their customer, to support the entire cutting tool fraternity,
Yes.
to see that they make the product better and make also the productivity and profitability higher.
Yes, and you make your life easy.
Yeah. Thank you very much for your
Thanks,
time.
Hari. Thank you.
And I believe I am going to have some nice time today evening where they are going to celebrate their 50 years at Graniha.
Oh, fantastic. Okay. We will miss you, but we will have a good time. Thank you.
Thank you.